to get through the day, to make the days easier. Because like if you don't have the right gear, the job is already quite hard. So if you're not with the right gear, you can make your day harder. Hi, my name is Dayana J, and I'm here today to show any of the newly hired letter carriers. If you're considering working for the post office, or you just want to be here just to see what other further ideas you can do to make your day better out there delivering mail. So, if it's a day where it is about 75 degrees or hotter, and especially if it's sunny and the sun's just beaming on you, I will first consider to use a towel. Looks like the span's bigger, it's just dry, so it's a little, you can freeze it, that's what I would do. It depends on how hot it was, or you just put it in very, very cool temperature and just put it over your neck. And then once you put it over your neck, it has a very cool sensation, and you could be completely hot, but once you put it over your neck, your whole body is cool. And you can just pick it up from Walmart. It's called the Perfect Cooling Towel, and I got it from the sporting goods section, and it was very affordable. I don't remember exact cost it was. I got it a couple years ago. I love this. I got this also from Walmart. This is a very big cooler. It seemed quite dramatic. The cooler is about this big, but they have coolers anywhere, even at the dollar store. I will put like an ice pack. I like this material. I wouldn't use this exactly. This is for like an individual water bottle, but you can get anywhere. But that's the one that I use, but I don't have it anymore. And I put about like 5 waters in there, 3 frozen waters and maybe 2 regular refrigerated waters, and you should be very good and very cool the whole day with these waters in this tap water. It could be 100 degrees, 102. Your waters stay cool. Like, it's amazing. So try it. You don't need a cooler like this big, especially if you're like on public transportation, if you don't have a vehicle or something like that. I wouldn't be going out there carrying water bottles, this big jug. It is smaller options, but I was trying to be cheap and not buy waters outside my house. So cause I like a lot of bugs and mosquitoes and all that will come to me, and I work with clusters, even walking wise and stuff. Just bugs attract me. I wore unscented soap, unscented lotion, unscented chapstick, and they just seem to just come near me. So I just like the off better. So I wouldn't get bit up. One day I got bit up very bad, and I didn't like that. But I wouldn't see other people spraying off spray on themselves at the office. So I don't know if I'm the only one that did that, but just to give you an idea if you hate bugs like me. Wear shorts if it's like 70 degrees and up. I know at the postal service it's like a certain day, and a certain day you can and cannot wear shorts. But if it's that weather, shoot, I'm putting on shorts because I sweat a lot and it gets hot out there. So I'm trying to stay cool as they want us to. And it's good to always keep pepper spray for the dogs. And just buckle these to your pants. I never got bitten by a dog, but I heard that it doesn't work for bigger dogs. It just makes them more vicious, especially if they're biting you. The pepper spray don't work. So Yeah, I say be very careful if you're around a dog or if it's too aggressive or something. But I never really had to use it on a dog before. But I have been chased by dogs, but I would just scream and run, of course. And their owner, so they'll come and correct their dog. And you would also need some pants. I hate the post office pants because, like, my body shape, I'm very small, but I have a little pudge, so these go over my stomach. I don't know if I ever seen any ones that go like below the stomach, like regular pants that anybody wears. I didn't like it too much, the pants, so they wouldn't fit all the way sometimes, especially after I eat. So I would just zip it up as much as I can. Sometimes they'll fit like the beginning of the day, but after the day I'm drinking water and eating, my stomach expands, so it no longer fits. But no one really noticed that my pants were unbuttoned. My shirts were long enough to cover that area, so lucky me. And if it's hot, I like wearing these material shirts, you see, because like it's cotton, and once you're sweating, cotton absorbs a little bit more than comparison to these ones. This is a long sleeve shirt. I will only wear that like if it's windy or if it's a little cooler day, or if it's winter, snowing. Yeah, I get all 4 seasons here. And yeah, this is a short sleeve shirt. They do have ones where they have pockets on the bottom of them, but I never saw the point. But other people used to put stuff down there, like their phone or something like that. And you need a pen, but I wouldn't use a pen like this. I had pens from the office, but I don't have them at my house, like decorative pens. So, and I wouldn't use this because it might get dirty. Well, we'll get dirty, and bugs will get in it or something like that. So I keep these for my own personal use. And if it's raining, or sometimes it's like snowing, and sometimes I'm just warm, so I will wear. It depends on the temperature of the snow and how warm I feel. My sweater, and then I will put this over it. Some days, or it just depends. Do it without. And windy days I wear this too, because it, like, my ears like super sensitive to wearing this. Like, I wore this probably about 70% of the time. I wore this jacket. So I even kept a backpack. I would put that in like my backpack. They do have lockers, but I just like carrying stuff home. So I would just keep it in the car, trunk or something. And waterproof pants. Yep, these are my waterproof pants. I would use them like for snow days, rainy days. I don't have any snow boots with me, but the trick is if it's like very cold snow, like 20 degrees or below, put on your socks first, and then grab some trash bags and then put those over your feet. Put another sock and then put a trash bag on your feet as well. Sometimes socks, they're made to absorb sweat, but not really rain or snow or any like water. And they're warm too. So if you incorporate those both together, it's like a waterproof and warm for your feet. And I had like insulated snow boots as well, but I bought them big because I knew I was going to have to double my socks and things like that. But they were just still way too big. But just get your regular size. Yeah. Or you can do it in the store. Just you might look crazy, but shoot, it'll save you a trip and things like that. So yeah, I suggest doing that if when it snows, especially if you're walking or you just have to eventually go in the snow. I started off with other sneakers that had like holes in the front and things like that, and you don't want those kind of shoes. I got rain in it and just a little stinky and stuff. So I put a tip. I put tea bags in them, so it absorbs the smell, so it smells better. And these have like a little odor to them. Let me smell it. Yes, it smells better. If you have to do a shadow day behind the carrier, please wear some sneakers, because you don't want to, sometimes they want you to try out delivering the mail with them, and I've seen people wear dress shoes and things like that, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to mess up your nice clothes for a pretty outdoorsy messy job. Yep, and that's all that I have today.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you subscribe and hit that bell.
Some comments, so comment below and let me know which tip was your favorite.
Goodbye, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Hey guys, I've recorded this video twice because my battery had died. So just in case, if you were wondering why I'm in a completely different look, I just re-recorded it. So it might be like in conjunction of two different outfits, but just bear with it. I wanted to make sure that I gave you all the information that I could for the video. So FYI, thanks.
And another tip you can do is I use off, so I won't get any bug sprays or anything like that. I mean bug spray, so I won't get any bug bites. I can't tolerate mosquito bites and things like that, so I had to spray this up on my skin, especially. No.
And then grab some trash